One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about Uber Eats and some of the crazy ish that's going on in Ireland and something else. So let's start with Ireland and what's going on with McDonald's.
A McDonald's store manager, was recorded talking to Uber Eats drivers as if they were his employees, saying that, hey, when you get Uber Eats McDonald's orders, you need to prioritize those. So I'm actually following James Farrar. Actually, I should have him on the show. So leaked recordings show McDonald's manager briefing Uber Eats drivers. First of all, they're not your employees, Mr. Manager. Don't do that. Number two, James Farrar, the director of the campaign Group Worker Info Exchange, which obtained the recording, said McDonald's are micromanaging the delivery workers in Antrim and Ballymena as if they are direct employees, but then hide behind the Uber platform to avoid responsibility. That rings a bell to me. Yeah, I've heard that before. Have you heard that before? For years,
if they can do it, well, let's do it.
Yeah, sure. For years, Uber has specialized in exploiting workers. Now they are selling access to their platform to help other large multinationals to do the same. Neil Moore, a regional officer for the Unite Union, said, Unite is increasingly concerned by the exploitative employment model used by fast food delivery companies. All too often, the interests of low-paid and short-staffed workers are being played off against those of couriers. I agree. And I've been doing deliveries. In fact, what happened to me Sunday night and last night is regarding deliveries, Uber. I'm telling you, I ran a tape already on my Prop 22. If you shortchange me by one single penny on Thursday coming up, I'm going to be trouble. I'm telling you that right now. Don't mess with that, Uber. I'm telling you, it's already bad. Don't mess with it. So that's all I'm going to say. But Uber Eats is doing something else, Chris. They're going like, we're going to go the Doordash way, right? We're going to go, on the next screenshot, we're going to go and orders you get.
I mean, these are some changes, but going to this story with the McDonald's in the island, dude, if somebody came up to me and said, oh, you got to prioritize these orders first, I'd tell the guy, go pound salt.
Go pound sand. Yeah, exactly. And to me is not why. Okay, Eric, I will answer that question. Uber changes Uber Eats Pro. Uber says reliable deliveries keep your customers. They're not my customers. They're the restaurant's customers. Your customers coming back to the Uber Eats app with the goal in mind. We're piloting changes to the Uber Eats Pro program in your city. If you think my AR is going to move like one notch
starting
more
Friday,
than a single digit, you're mistaken. Starting November 1, couriers who accept more requests, cancel less, and provide reliable service will receive priority access to higher paying deliveries. This is exactly what the DoorDash did. And the fools who fell for it, Chris, never see those higher paying deliveries. Because unlike rideshare people, on deliveries, if you're closer to the restaurant, you get it. It's not batch matched. That's why you need to play the game correctly when you're doing deliveries. You need to pick up your triangle. You need to pick up your hot strips when it comes to restaurants. You need to play the game super correctly when it comes to deliveries. So this is all hocus pocus. I'm not buying it. My acceptance rate is not going to go above 10% because of this. Okay. But I'm going to keep doing deliveries because the more I do deliveries, Chris, the more shady shit I'm discovering, FTC. And I'm telling you, I can't wait until Thursday. That's when they pay me. Although they shifted, they say they pay me on Tuesday because on the app it shows on Tuesday, but they pay me on Thursday. Even that's shady. The money comes into me on my account on Thursday, but then the bar is on Tuesday. I'm like, why? Why couldn't you just be on?
Wouldn't that be under CPUC though?
CPUC, no. CPUC is not. The CPUC is more on the TNC side, more on the rideshare side. No, this is Prop 22. I swear to God, I'm going to the Attorney General's office on this one. If you guys gyp me by 1 penny, I swear to God, because I still am going to work and finish this job. I need to know where all these billions of dollars are going on Prop 22. Where is the money? You guys collected $6 to $7 billion last 4 years. That's between all of you. Not just Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Lyft, rideshare deliveries, Instacart, Walmart, Spark, all of you. It's $6 to $7 billion. Where is the money? There you go. I'm telling you, Thursday coming up. Don't shortchange me by 1 penny.
Can you do a FOIL request?
I have so many.
Oh.
I have so many. Doesn't work. They all they do is like, go pound sand search. Okay. All right. Time's coming.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.